In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to deposit funds into your Bybit account. So to deposit funds into your Bybit account, you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, go and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Here, go ahead and press the more button located right at the bottom, and then what next you can do is just scroll down and head over to the section that is buy crypto and press deposit. And here you need to go ahead and select the asset that you're depositing, and what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and make sure that the chain type you have deposited to is one of the withdrawal form. So when you've done that, you need to go ahead and select the network. After done selecting your currency, or you have entered your preference currency in the search box to proceed to the next step, then you can confirm your transaction to deposit funds into your Bybit account. So that is how you can deposit funds into your Bybit account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.